Good morning, guys. This is gonna be a quick video on some analysis on GBP USD and gold. All right. First and foremost, this video is sponsored by PrimeXBT. Okay, an exchange where you can trade forex indices, commodities, and crypto, all with a single Bitcoin based account. Okay, so you only need to deposit some Bitcoin to be able to trade all of these markets. I've been trading there for a while, for over a year now, and I still love the exchange, so definitely check them out. I'll leave a link in the description and also leave 2 promo codes where you can get a 50% deposit bonus. All right, so if you deposit 1 Bitcoin, you will be able to trade with 2 Bitcoin. Okay, so that's a pretty nice deal. So let's take a look at GBP USD first, right? Pretty interesting setup I'm watching here. So first of all, this is a key high that I marked. Okay, so this high got deviated right here. We dumped a little, then got back above, retest, started pumping. Support right here, and then once we broke back below, we started selling off. Okay, so that's a key level. And then I just marked this gray area, whatever you want to call it, breaker demand, breaker supply, sorry, or something like that. But it's just a confluence of different levels, all right, where prices traded sideways. So I'm expecting it to be resistance if we test it from the downside, right? So on the lower time frames, I also marked out this key high, which is a range high, and this low as a range low. So this high got deviated right here, got back below, retest, sold off again, and then the range low got deviated here, some sideways price action. Like this, so this is definitely gonna be demand, okay? And then we have all of these unswept lows right here, right? So what am I watching? We have some clean highs right here. We just made an equal high. If we get some upside here and see one more spike, okay, to take out liquidity above this high into this key level, okay, then that's a short in my opinion, okay, with stops most likely keep them above this gray area if you're shorting here, okay. But once we break back below Monday high in confluence with this high, okay, so if we get a break below here, then you could trail your stops here and possibly add, okay, compound, and then targets would be Monday low, all of these lows, and then ultimately into range low, which lines up with this demand area, okay. So that's a beautiful scenario that I'm watching. So hopefully we get one more spike in here, and then I'll be shorting this, okay. Confirmation of this would be a break below Monday high and this range high, okay, and then targets all of these lows into this range low demand, okay. So that's what I'm watching on GBP USD. And then on gold, posted this chart on Twitter as well this morning, right? So on the weekly, we can see that this right here is some key resistance, right? So price traded sideways, so clean supply, then we got a breakdown, okay. Now we're seeing some upside again. So what am I watching on the lower time frames? If we get a sweep of this high right into that key resistance, so the sideways price action before breaking down, okay, that would be a short in my opinion. So the scenario that I drew here, so something like this, upside, boom, in here, and then a breakdown, then that's your short, okay. Stops above here, hard stops maybe above this gray area, and then target all of these clean lows into these equal lows right here. And yeah, this is our range low that got deviated here. So first target these lows into this demand, and then if we break below here, these lows into most likely this consolidation. So that's what I'm watching on gold, the bearish scenario. What's the bullish scenario? If we break above here, so let me remove these. If we break above here, okay, and hold, okay, see bullish price action, then we're most likely going to trade a lot higher, in my opinion at least, towards these highs, these highs, these highs, okay, range high, ultimately into this lower time frame supply, right? Okay, so then I'll be bullish if we get a break above here and hold and look for longs on the lower time frames and target these highs. But for now, this is bearish in my opinion. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be updating this, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.